Welcome, students. This is Fun Factory Tuesdays. Today's lesson, how to host a fantastic back-to-school themed meeting.
Class is in session, but don't worry, no homework, just home fun.
Step 1, pick a playful theme. Back to school is perfect for September. Use Zoom backgrounds like lockers, chalkboards, or a cafeteria.
Step 2, dress the part. You can be a teacher, a student, or even the school mascot. Bonus points for silly props.
Step 3, host fun and interactive segments. Try virtual show and tell for table topics. Ask members to share a school memory or show a favorite item from their desk.
Or play Guess That School Sound.
Step 4, use breakout rooms creatively. Host mini spelling bees, trivia games, or classroom debates in small groups.
Step 5, celebrate learning. Spotlight members who've grown in their speaking skills, like giving out virtual gold stars and diplomas.
Remember, a fun meeting is like recess for grown-ups. Keep it light, keep it lively, and keep it learning.
And at Fun Factory Tuesdays, we don't just go back to school, we go back to cool.
Class dismissed, and let the fun begin.
For clubs aligned in D25, a special initiative has been launched by the D25 New Member Experience Committee, the facilitators of the monthly Fundamentals Workshop. Each month, an award will be given to the club that has the most fun-themed meeting. Use festive backgrounds and meeting activities to go with your theme. Take screenshots during the meeting. Then email us at member_exp@d25toastmasters.org and be sure to share your screenshots with us and tell us about your meeting for a chance to win the Fun Themed Meeting Award. Monthly winners will be recognized on our D25 socials.